Morning guys, welcome to Jamieson's Train UK and welcome to an episode of Jamieson's Rail Adventures. Today's episode is just going to be slightly random, I'm not sure, but all I'm hoping is, ideally, on 1V58, I'm hoping for that to be a HST, because the HST journey from Glasgow to Edinburgh, or Edinburgh to Glasgow, that is well overdue. So that'll be one journey to film, and then after that it'll be random, and I've given myself a few options for a theme day. But well, the options are like either British Rail Traction theme day, Diesel theme day, or a HST theme day. Because if it's a HST theme day, we can just take a trip to Aberdeen and back. You know, we've already done it, but I had heads up anyway about a few VP 185 power cars floating about, so if that's the case, we'll go for it. But if not, oh well, it doesn't matter. But yeah, the plan is I'll get the 803 into from Killarney to Glasgow, and then take the 9 o'clock to Edinburgh. So it should be a good day. By the way, the shirt and tie, don't ask, I like it. Anyway, at least it's got the HST badge. But yeah, I've no idea why, I just like it. I've got to be professional at times, you know. Anyway, onwards and upwards. But yeah, I did ask you which should be the next train to review, and I did say I was going to do it, but because of the Fringe was on, the Edinburgh Festival, and the school wings are still off, I just thought I had off a wee bit. Film that in September, but even though September is a busy month for us, but I'm sure I can squeeze that in, because it'll only take me a day to film the 334. So yeah, we can get that done then. But yeah, we'll get today, and then next week, the next episode would be a vintage bus event, and I'm actually staying the weekend at Dunfermline, so watch out for that one. But anyway, I better get my skates on and get myself down to the station to catch a train, and also get my roll and sausage. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you all when we get... Alright guys, so we just arrived into Glasgow Central, and yeah, it's not East Midlands, but it's Virgin and cross country. But yeah, it's definitely HST, but yeah, it's definitely not East Midland power car. But hey up, Virgin will do. Just hop on board, set this camera up, and we'll start filming. So I'll give you a wee update when we get to arrived into Edinburgh Waverley about 5 minutes ago. What a guess, I'm going to do an update and she interrupted. Good bank, it's not a bad idea actually. Yes, we successfully filmed the journey on the HST from Glasgow to Edinburgh. I'm actually gutted we didn't get the East Midland public car, but the Virgin was due. Still there. We got a hired Virgin public car. I'm going to see what's on this Aberdeen service. If it's an MTU powered HST, I'm no bother. If it's a BP 185 powered HST, I'll jump on. Goodbye old sprinter. There you go Alan, there's something for you mate. A 156. Stone Haven and Aberdeen. Right, anyway, so yeah, I'm going to see what pulls in. If not, I'll go and do something else. But I'll give you a wee update as soon as I can. We are there please. Decided to film the journey from Edinburgh to Dunbar on the 158. I know I've done it about 3 or 4 times, but to hell with it. It's just a random Saturday session by the looks of it, so it's not on a particular themed day unless it's something pops in, but we're taking this to Dunbar. We've got 158, 734, so that will do us. So anyway, set up the camera and yeah, I'm planning to film it. So yeah, I'll update you when we get to Dunbar. Quick update, the 158 journey I didn't successfully done because on the way down the journey wasn't really good. The train like stopped in a loop just to allow a passing cross-country service, and then on the way back the train was too busy to film, so unfortunately that didn't get done. But at least I've done that journey plenty of times for the channel, so it's not a thing I really need. But anyway, I thought I'd have a go at filming this from Edinburgh to Carlisle. I mean, I can only go as far as Carlisle with my travel pass. And plus, we've no filmed a Pendolino journey. So, yeah, might as well give it a go. So we got 390. Let's see. There we go. 129. Here we go. So that will do us. We get 390, 129. We'll take that to Carlisle, we'll film that, and then don't know what I'll do after that, but I would like to try get at least more than one journey filmed. I can see myself pissing about after this journey, so yeah, I think the Pendolino will do. So anyway, I need to go on the train, find the traction motor, set the camera up, and I'll catch up with you when we get to Carlisle. Alright guys, we just arrived into Carlisle. Got about an hour to kill for the next train to back to Edinburgh. Unless I just wait for the Voyager. I don't know, I'll suss it out, but I'm not planning to do any more like journey filming, so I'm just going to be pissing about. So yeah, not sure whether to go back to Edinburgh for the HST or just take the Voyager straight to Glasgow. I mean, the 1701 is a Voyager on a weekday, but unfortunately on a Saturday it's a Pendolino. But hey, I managed to film the journey from Edinburgh to here, so that's not bad. So yep, I'll give you a wee update and see how we go. Still here, I see. You've been sitting in there for at least 6 months. Are you actually on strike? Yeah, I think 57 304. Yeah, you can see it, but I can't. But yeah, I think that local's on strike. Every time I come to Carlisle, it's always there. That same spot. Never away. Always, always, always there.
Virgin Pendolino to Edinburgh Waverley.
Supposed to be a Voyager, you bastard, you.
Now arriving on platform number 1 from today, 1701.
Ah well, I'm starting to get fond with Pendolinos.
To Edinburgh Waverley.
But
today, 12:43 from the Duke. I have a Virgin train delayed for 1 hour because of the delay to this service.
I had no idea what we got, but anyway. Going to find a seat above the traction motor and I'll update you in a bit. Alright guys, we're on the Pendolino. I'm not sure what unit we've got, but yeah, it's a 11-car Pendo, and we're actually gunning it at 125 miles an hour, so that's good. That's what I like about Virgin West Coast. You travel at 125 miles an hour while he's tilting around the corner. Imagine then how fast can Pendolinos go? Really is about 150, 160. Imagine this thing getting about 160 and tilting around the corners. That'd be amazing. But yeah, I do admit they are fast trains, but I prefer the Voyager. But yeah, they're only limited to 127 miles an hour. So unfortunately, Pendolinos are faster, but Voyagers are better. But nothing beats for high-speed train in Britain, because like they're all limited. They can only go at 125. So the best train, it's hard to decide a HST or a 180. because 180s are real good at 125 miles an hour, especially when you hear the turbo. We actually have the engine in the turbo underneath, screaming at 125 miles an hour. But yeah, this is too quiet for my liking. I prefer an engine. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to Waverley. Alright guys, we just arrived at the Edinburgh, 20 minutes late. The reason why we are delayed, because the Pendolino tilting system wasn't working. Over that can hear the traction motor. But anyway, still got about a couple of hours to kill for the HSTs, so there's one way for it. Stuck to a P, ends with a B. I see you all on one side of 51. Alright guys, we're at platform 10, and there's our HST back to Glasgow. 43 384. So sadly the EMT set, but hey, better than a fucking Pendolino. You got to love a good old HST. Leanne, I've got my hands dirty. But anyway, we've got this beast for this Glasgow Central. You bet. Oh for fuck's sake, somebody took my table. Bastard. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to... Alright guys, we're on the HST heading back to Glasgow. We get 43 384. Not sure what's in the rear.
How you doing?
Not bad.
Getting busy today.
Yep. Filming intercity train journeys.
Not seen you for a while. You been hiding?
Aye, that's yours.
Aye, that's fine.
Yeah, I know. Long time no see.
Aye, keeping alright?
Aye. If you see Morrigan, I tell him asking.
Oh, well indeed, Paul. Well indeed. How we doing, Paul?
No good, I can.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop driving things!
Is that the wrong one?
Right, anyway, we're on the HST, we got 43 384 and not sure what's in the rear, but I couldn't care because this is taking us back to Glasgow. Anyway, it's a HST compared to a shitty Pendolino that had a tilting system fail on the last journey, so that's how we're going at 110 miles an hour. And we should be going at 125 in this run. Hopefully. If not, 110 the latest. But anyway, at least I filmed a train. At least I filmed the Pendolino from Edinburgh to Carlisle at 125, so at least we've done that. But anyway, I'll see you all when we get to Glasgow, and no doubt we'll end up bumping into folk. But anyway, see you in a bit. Alright guys, final update, and I am a wee bit pissed. But anyway, for the final update, we'll have a reflect to what we've done today, as per usual. So I took the train into Glasgow, and I managed to film the HST from Glasgow Central to Edinburgh via Motherwell. Unfortunately, it wasn't the East Midland HST Publica that folk were, about 6 people were nagging me on about last night, but unfortunately I couldn't do it. And this morning I got a VTEC Publica, and I'm still jealous about it. And Leanne Fagan, I think, I don't know if she was trying to be nice or tried to rub it into me, but puts actually picture on Facebook whether she's working or not. But Leanne, I love you, and yeah, I love you for the not just about the HSTs, but I love you in general. So Leanne, big shout out for you for being the biggest queen of the HSTs. But unfortunately, the rest of the day isn't involved in HSTs, apart from the train ride back to Glasgow. But anyway, We took the 158 734 down to Dunbar and back. I made an attempt to film that and back, but it didn't work out well. But hell, it's a 158 thrash, so I couldn't argue with that. But honestly, on the way down, there was a few points failure, and on the way back the train was too busy. But I have managed to film the Pendolino from Edinburgh to Carlisle, because after the 158 I just wanted to get something done, so I filmed the Pendolino done. So then that's that. That's practically much of the filming done. But hey, we took the Pendolino back with a point, with a tilting failure. Hence why we limited to 110 miles an hour. Typical Shitolino. So thumbs up, finger up to the Pendolino for the tilting system. But after the Pendolino, went to pub, HST up the road to Glasgow, pub again, 380 back to Kilwinning, pub, pint, and that's me in the house. So yeah, that's practically it. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, because I am practically ghost and gassed. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I will see you all at the annual bus weekend at 5. So see you all then.